Morning, everybody, and a warm and hearty welcome. My name is Malcom Segal, and I am the non-executive chairman of Growtech. I must say it's actually quite exciting and really overwhelming that several hundred people have chosen to make their way here early on a Friday morning to learn about, engage, involve with what's happening with VC in South Africa.
Yeah. Because Africa is where it's at. By the year 2100, the population of Africa will have grown from 1 billion to 4 billion. That's an additional 3 billion people in this world. Over 40% of the world's youth population will call Africa home. We're looking to extend the longevity of the African population to 78 years. So more people will be living longer. And by 2060, 1 billion people will be considering themselves middle class. All these people will need roads, bridges, homes, schools, malls. They need to be fed, educated, and entertained. And who better to do it than Africans coming up with African solutions for African problems?
So our vision for Growtech is not to be a 100 or 120 million rand fund. It's to be a billion rand fund and to enable the marrying of capital with all this innovation that we're seeing out there. We're seeing exceptional innovation, solving all sorts of problems, and I'll come across all sorts of industries, across all sorts of technologies. So we want to be the preeminent venture capital company investing in South African entrepreneurs or global entrepreneurs solving African problems. And why? Because Africa is a continent of 1 billion people, soon to have 800 million smartphones, and we see exceptional opportunity on our doorstep to go north and to solve African problems. But our strategy is really to invest not in products, not in seed stage, but in businesses. So we invest in companies that have already got traction. If it's business to business, they've got some clients. If it's business to consumer, they've got maybe 1,000 clients. They've already got traction, and they're growing at 10, 20, 30% month on month. Not year on year, month on month. And we call that product market fit. So we don't invest in early stage companies. We find it's too risky. We invest in companies that are already on that upward J curve or the hockey stick effect, and that's the type of companies that we're looking at investing in. We only invest, our strategy is to only invest in companies that we believe we can make a 10 times multiple return.
Very important for us. In this world right now, there's very few opportunities that if you put down 500, let's say you were to put 1 million rand invested into Growtech, your ultimate expense is 590,000 rand. The taxman returns the rest of it, 410,000 back to you. So for 590,000 rand, you get 1 million rand exposure into an excellent investment with the right people going after what we all know and we all recognize, and that's why you're here, is a fantastic once-in-a-lifetime shift in how the business and marketplace operates. Thank you.